Hello everyone, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Berkeley Heights, New Jersey, showcasing a Serenity tub enclosure with 3/8" regular clear glass in shower guard. All the hardware is in brushed nickel finish or brushed stainless. As you see, it matches the existing fixtures very nicely. This is the common push-pull, which allows the door to surpass the stationary panel. Got an 18" towel bar here on the stationary panel, the hanging towels. And aside from that, this is actually quite a simple installation. It's done pretty quick, on average about an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on adjustments. And that's pretty much it. So I wanted to make this video just to give an example of what these Serenity kits look like on a custom tub. And that's it. Alright, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call at 888-83 Glass or visit our website at njglassdoors.com. Thank you.